Louis Vuitton made it the highest luxury fashion brand in the rankings as Best Global Fashion Brands for 2019, followed by Chanel and Hermes. Padlock Set Key is one of the LV accessories of Louis Vuitton. You can use it either with a necklace or with your bags. How we can fix the dull metal hardware of your vintage LV bags. The dull, tarnished, and rusted LV metal hardwares are easy to fix by using the right product. I am using a very affordable but very effective Pickle Polish Liquid. Polishes and restores all metal surfaces. Fast-acting formula produces a rich, bright shine. Safe for all metal surfaces. It is very easy to apply, no mixing needed. And it leaves no messy residues. Pickle Metal Polish Liquid is extraordinary for polishing and restoring metal surfaces to its original luster. Its formula produces a rich, bright shine by safely polishing and removing any residues, spotting, staining, and rust, and also leaves a clear protective coating to prevent further tarnishing and help maintain a long-lasting shine.